Welcome to Perfect Diction with Adirunke. Today's lesson is about the IPA consonant sounds, which are the building blocks of the English pronunciation. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify, pronounce, and use the International Phonetic Alphabet consonant sounds with confidence. The International Phonetic Alphabet is a system used to represent every sound in every spoken language. Today, we're focusing on the consonant sounds in English. There are 24 consonant sounds in English, and each has its own symbol in the IPA. Consonant sounds are classified by three features. The first one is the place of articulation. That is, where the sound is made, like the lips or teeth. The second one is the manner of articulation. That is, how the sound is made, like stops or fricatives. The third is voicing. This shows whether your vocal cords vibrate or not. Let's take a look. Picture, pencil, purple, biscuit, basic, bath, bathe, tortoise, turtle, trophy, debt, December, deposit, kudos, cucumber, carpet, goggle, Google, goggle, verbatim, vegetable, vitamin, first, fuel, off, father. For this sound, put your tongue in between your teeth and try to blow an air like this. Ascend, think, anthem, bath, clock. For this sound, put your tongue in between your teeth and try to vibrate like this. Ascend, then. Smooth, bathe, see, some, rise, loose, base, z, z, zip, zoo, rise, lose, sh, 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 sheep, wash, chef, chevron, crash, z, z, vision, revision, conclusion, puzzle, hot, hello, hammer, ch, ch, cheap, march, question, ch, judge, January, jelly, man, moon, meadow, net, not, never, sing, king, wing, let, lorry, like, red, rail, rally, yes, yacht, yellow, we, wet, way, west. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more awesome English tips. Until next time, keep practicing.